Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from Kafka to BigQuery using Confluent. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer data from Kafka to BigQuery using Confluent, start by ensuring you have a running Kafka cluster. Install Confluent Hub to access the necessary connectors. Navigate to the Confluent Hub website and download the BigQuery sync connector. Once downloaded, unzip the connector files into your Confluent installation directory. Start your Confluent services, including Kafka and Kafka Connect. Next, configure the BigQuery sync connector by creating a configuration file. In this configuration file, specify the connector name and type as BigQuery. Set the Kafka topic from which you want to read data. Define the BigQuery dataset where the data will be written. Provide the necessary authentication details to connect to your Google Cloud project. This typically includes the service account key file path. Listen for schema updates by setting the appropriate configurations for schema management. Options include auto-creating the table or using the specified schema. After configuring the file, load the connector into Kafka Connect. Use the REST API or Confluent Control Center to submit your connector configuration. Monitor the logs for any errors during initialization. If successful, the connector will start transferring data from Kafka to BigQuery. Verify the data in your BigQuery console to ensure everything is transferred correctly. Make adjustments to your connector configuration as necessary to optimize performance or handle specific data formats. Regularly check the health of the connector to maintain a smooth data pipeline. This completes the process of transferring data from Kafka to BigQuery using Confluent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.